currently living in a small apartment in Goldsboro with my 3 pets. I remember seeing a little adorable tiny house on the internet somewhere, I don't remember where, that I thought I could do that.
She plans to travel with her home, so she wants a small size, between 250 to 300 square feet, and on wheels. She wants to go mobile, and she will hire a towing company to handle moving it.
My budget for the tiny house is about $90,000. I think I can get what I want for that. I plan to put my tiny house in an RV park to begin with, and ultimately I'll move it to a piece of property.
Are you planning to fill this whole thing? Because I thought you were getting rid of things.
I'm trying. I just want to see how many will fit, and then whichever ones don't fit, then we can sort them out. I think I'm modern, current, contemporary. For me, that means a lot of sparkly light fixtures, straight lines. I don't like anything rustic or cabin feeling.
What are you going to do with this?
I'm making healthy food.
It doesn't smell good. That's what I'm saying.
I want a big, spacious, functioning kitchen. I cook a lot. I think food prep and cooking is really important to eating healthy. I also need a bar to sit at. It feels nice to have everybody around the same space. If the bathroom doesn't have a sink where I can't even put my toothbrush on it, that's not something I can live with. I really need this kind of room in my tiny house. I prep all my food for the entire week. I need space to lay it out.
Tanya is working with real estate agent Teresa Blackburn, who sells homes for a local North Carolina tiny house builder. She'll be showing Tanya models that can be customized to her liking.
This is more of a farm-style house, which I know is not traditionally what you like. It has a little bit more of a modern edge to it.
Okay.
But really what I wanted to show you was how light it is inside.
Yeah, well, these windows, I'm sure it is.
You have 360 square feet of living space and an additional 64 square foot of screened porch. A little bigger than you wanted.
And that means more money.
This one is 110, little bit over your budget of 90,000.
A lot over my budget.
I think it's important to remember that this is an example. We're going to take what you like from it as we look into building yours.
Wow, this is really nice.
Not your style, but I like it.
Yeah, I mean, it's really nice and bright, and these white walls are really great.
What about walking straight into the kitchen with the refrigerator right in the front door?
Yeah, I don't know if I love the way that's set up.
And think about your meal prep. Where are you going to do that?
It's not going to happen in this kitchen, I'll tell you that. So can we go ahead and look at the loft?
Absolutely.
Oh,
Whoa, I don't like this at all. What if you fell right off of there and you're
really-
out here by yourself? If you fell off.
That's for me. The loft is really nice. I mean, it's a really good size. These clothes.
You can close all of
Oh,
this
how
That
awesome.
is really,
and make it
All the way
completely
around?
screened in.
Leah, I might need to spend some more money.
No,
I know.
not more money. But
This is.
this area would be great for your cats, though.
Yep.
They would love it out here.
Teresa wants them to see a tiny house option with a larger kitchen, but there are some trade-offs.
Wow. There's a lot of wood in here, too.
Let's take a look at this fantastic kitchen.
This is a really big kitchen.
All the countertops you need.
Yes. I would definitely change out the countertops. That's an option, isn't it?
It is an option. Of course, it could be more money.
Of course.
And this one actually has quite a bit of storage, which I don't know how you
It
feel
does.
about the stainless.
I don't love the stainless, but, you know, it is very modern looking, which I am a fan of.
Yeah. All right, who's going first?
I guess it's me. This staircase is interesting.
It's like a paddle. It's a little more stable than a ladder.
Yeah, it's awkward.
I feel like it too, but I don't know if it's just in my mind. Yeah, I really like the way this feels really open, and I think it's because of the catwalk.
Yeah, it feels real good, and it doesn't feel crowded at all.
But I would really like to see maybe a little bit smaller so that I'm staying within budget.
Okay.
Teresa is showing Tanya a house that's under budget, but she still may have to compromise.
It is towable, which I know is important for you.
That is good. What size is it?
This one is 250 square feet, and it's $60,000.
Good, so you could do a lot of the high-end things that you were wanting to do.
It looks small, though. Maybe it's not what I was looking for.
Well, maybe there's a happy medium.
Maybe, yeah.
You want to go inside?
Yeah.
Lead the way.
Oh, wow, this is really cute.
Oh, it is cute. I like it.
Yeah, and these windows put a lot of good light in here.
Yeah, and it looks way bigger in here than it does from the outside.
It really does. I think this space is really set up really well.
I like the concrete and the stools.
I do too. It's something I really wanted was to have a little bar area, and there's some really good storage over here too. I didn't even notice that.
And how great is it that you could use these stools for the living area when friends are over, or you could use it for the kitchen?
You know, I'm not a fan of storage stairs, but I really like these windows back here. Oh, this is a good space.
So this is the whole tiny house.
Yes.
So where do your clothes and shoes and baskets of shoes go?
I'm not sure what we do about that. It's small in there, but it really felt big. I could probably fit in it with some rearranging. You know, it's better than I thought.
The whole living and kitchen space is really nice. I think you would like it, and also all of the counter space. If you could make something like that work, that would give you plenty of room for the prep that you always do.
With several tiny models to choose from, will Tanya choose style over budget?
I know it's way over budget, but I'm gonna have this house for a really long time, and you know I want what I want.
And you'll get it. So that outdoor space with the porch is gonna be great.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about that. This is gonna be fun.
Yay!
I know Pete wants to eat. Look at that, he knows where the fridge is. I chose the mobile farmhouse because I really felt like it could accommodate everything that I needed. The basic floor plan is the same, but the design choices are much different. I ended up with this cream-colored fish scale siding, which I think turned out really good.
Tanya's currently renting space at a local RV park for $650 a month.
I've got a really beautiful lakefront spot. There's a road right out front, but it doesn't detract from the view and the ambience of the space at all. They were asking $110,000. I ended up spending $119,000. The original budget was $90,000, so I went quite a bit over. I ended up spending more money on the upgraded things, my white quartz countertops, which I love, the upgraded sink, the high-end appliances, the under-counter refrigeration, which has been well worth the large amount of money I spent on that. I've added 2 pet doors, one for my cat and one for my dog, and that's working out really great. In the bathroom, I could rearrange to get the bathroom I wanted and all the counter space. We eliminated that bedroom that we didn't need in there. I got a tile upgrade, really nice sink in there, some great quartz countertop. In the living room, I put a great bar in. It's made of red cedar. I used that same red cedar to put an open shelf in the kitchen where I display my dishes, which looks great. Leah knew that I was gonna spend more money than I wanted, but there's no reason in my mind to build something and spend the time and spend the money if I'm not gonna get what I want.